Greetings. Welcome. Today, we're exploring an intriguing topic: how to predict how the US stock market will open. If you're interested in trading, investing, or just curious about market dynamics, stick around and hit that like button. Thank you. If you're trading or investing in the US stock market, you might have heard that the movements in Asian markets can give you some insight into how the US markets might open. But how does that work? Let's take a look. The global financial markets are interconnected, and Asia's major stock exchanges, like the Tokyo Stock Exchange, Shanghai Stock Exchange, and Hong Kong Stock Exchange, play a significant role in the global market. When Asian markets are active, they influence or reflect investor sentiment that spills over into other markets, including the US. Here's how you can use Asian markets to gauge the US market opening. 1. Watch major indices. Check the CNN website for pre-market activity and see if fear or greed is moving the market. For a deeper understanding of what's taking shape, look at the major indices from Asia, such as Japan's Nikkei 225, China's Shanghai Composite, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index. These indices are barometers of economic sentiment and market trends in Asia. For instance, if the Nikkei 225 is experiencing significant movement, it might reflect broader investor sentiment that can influence global markets. Look for trends. For example, if you see a strong upward or downward trend in Asia, it might be an indicator of how investors are feeling about global economic conditions, which could impact US markets. 2. Check Asian futures markets online. Futures markets in Asia, like the Nikkei futures or Hang Seng futures, can give you clues about how the Asian markets will open the next day. These futures contracts reflect investor expectations about the future performance of the indices and can indicate market sentiment. If you see futures prices rising or falling significantly, it could signal a similar move in US futures, which often translates into the opening of the US markets. Keep in mind, though, that futures are not always perfect predictors. They are based on current expectations and can be influenced by many factors. 3. Monitor economic and geopolitical news. Economic and geopolitical events in Asia can also impact US markets. For example, news about trade relations, economic data releases, or geopolitical tensions can affect market sentiment. Keep an eye on news from major Asian economies and see how it might influence investor behavior. For instance, if China releases strong economic data, it might boost investor confidence in the global economy, potentially leading to a positive opening in the US markets. Conversely, negative news can have the opposite effect. 4. Observe market correlations. Often, markets exhibit correlations due to global economic ties. For example, if Asian markets are reacting strongly to a particular event, US markets might follow suit, especially if the event has global implications. Analyzing how previous events have impacted both Asian and US markets can provide insights into potential market behavior. 5. Use technical analysis. Lastly, incorporating technical analysis can help. By analyzing charts and patterns in Asian markets, you might identify trends that could continue into the US trading day. Look at technical indicators and chart patterns from Asian markets as part of your overall strategy. Combining these insights with your knowledge of the US market can give you a more comprehensive view of potential market openings. And there you have it. By keeping an eye on Asian stock and futures markets, monitoring news, and using technical analysis, you can gain valuable insights into how the US stock market might open. Remember, no method is foolproof, but being informed helps you make better trading decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly market insights. Drop any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.